chilly rain in Des Moines. 40s and 50s all the way through Wednesday night with the clouds and the showers. No thank you. And Jen, the same thing in Chicago. 60s, but it'll feel a lot colder than that with the cloud and the rain.
You're not going to see the sun. It's going to be very cloudy, very rainy, actually, and it sticks around. All right, so I can just feel the cold air kind of oozing in around me. Can you see it here? Temperatures are dropping like a rock. Every hour we've been losing degrees. It started yesterday, and it's been ongoing all night, and it's still happening now. Temperatures have not bottomed out just yet. So let's talk about the cold side of all of this, because a lot of you will feel it. Even if you don't get a snowflake at all, you will definitely feel the chill if you are on the cold side of this front. We're looking at numbers out there today compared to yesterday. So yesterday, we topped out at 93 in Denver. We were in the 80s in Wyoming. Cheyenne, 86 degrees. Look at where we are right now. We're down to 30 in Cheyenne, below freezing, and that's it for today. We're not going to warm up. Denver, we're at 36, and we still have, I think, the potential to lose a few more degrees. This is why we have snow in the forecast. Big-time temperature changes over the last 24 hours, anywhere from 15 to 25 degrees, but I think this map is going to be most notable this afternoon when you compare yesterday's 90s to today's 30s. So stick with us through the days. We show you all these temperature drops that keep it on. Meanwhile, up here, we are down now. We started our chill yesterday. We're down into the upper 20s, near 30 in North Dakota and parts of northern Minnesota, 32 degrees right now in Bemidji. So because of this, there's some frost and freeze concerns, freeze warning up for pretty much the western half of North Dakota. We got a couple of freeze warnings into Minnesota as well, and the freeze watch is up. That's the light pink color. The cold air is on the move all the way down through Kansas. Our earliest first freezing temperature on record, 32 degrees. The old record was September the 14th. Tomorrow will be the 9th. And here's our forecast. So, yep, we'll do that pretty easily. On average, it's not till October that we see our first freeze here. The cold is on the move, too. We're going to see that all the way down into the Texas Panhandle, but then it does kind of stop. It doesn't get much farther than, a little bit beyond Kansas City. It's not going to get to St. Louis. It's not going to get to Little Rock. It's not going to get to Dallas. You stay on the warm side of things, but we do see this chill in the air really nestle in for a couple of days, and then we start to moderate. So, Oklahoma City for us, 88 degrees. Tuesday, that's our average. That's today, and then we get the chill, and then we're not back to the 80s until the weekend. So,
well, as the temperatures fall, the snow isn't far behind. The national
moderate. So Oklahoma City for us, 88 degrees. Tuesday, that's our average. That's today, and then we get the chill, and then we're not back to the 80s until the weekend. So,
well, as the temperatures fall, the snow